Wagwan. All right, remember I told you that I would teach you a way that you can introduce yourself to a room or your group of friends when you arrive somewhere using the Jamaican dialect without saying Wagwan, my name Jazz, why you name. So I come in the room now. I open the room. Everybody's in there, in the room, right? I would say, Jazz there, right? Or I would say, Jazz in the building, right? So Jazz there is equivalent to Jazz is here. Or Jazz in the building. Jazz is in the building, right? So that is for the hype Jamaican coming in the room now, announcing himself, right? For everyone to see him. You know what I mean? It's more exciting, more spicy, without having to use the Wagwan, my name Jazz, why you name. You know, you just announce yourself.